Okay, now we will print with coaxial nozzle. So first, in the web interface, go into coaxial printing and click set configuration. So then click take to position. So now we need to insert two barrels. So one in head 2 and one in head 3. So then we need to connect this T hose. So connect one end to head 2 input connection and one to head 3 and one to head 2. So this is the compressed air output. So second head compressed air output is going to both head 2 and head 3. So after this we need to connect our coaxial nozzle and the hose. So this is the coaxial nozzle. So put it in this and tighten the nozzle. So after tightening, make sure it should be in 90 degrees towards head 3. Then connect this hose to the head 3. Then connect this hose and tighten this hose bar. So after connecting this all, both barrel should face 90 degree. The adapter should not be facing like this, it should be facing like this. So once it is done, we need to give pressure and test for extrusion. So click OK. So before going to test extrusion, we should set the pressure in head 2. So I am setting the pressure to 0.7 bar. So after setting this, click test extrusion. So give once again. So one more time. The extrusion looks fine. Now we need to place glass bed. So we need to place the glass bed. And tighten the knob. So after this, click OK. Then go to adjust bed. So now the bed is not touching with the nozzle. So we need to adjust from the touch screen. Make sure you are not giving too much higher values. Go with smaller value. So Z -5. So once again -5. So now we can see the nozzle is touching the bed. Then tighten this screw. Tighten this screw too. And now give OK and go into file section, go to jobs, go to coaxial printing and select the file and give yes. So if you find pressure higher or lower, you can adjust accordingly. So the coaxial printing is done. So once it is done, we need to remove this coaxial nozzle if we don't want to continue for next print. So now the homing is done. So go into dashboard section and in the main macros menu, come down and click remove barrels. So you can take out the hose and disconnect the hose from the barrels and loosen the screws. And remove this bar and take out the nozzle and pull the hose and take out the barrel. So once done, you go back into coaxial printing and click remove configuration. So it will ask you whether you want to cancel the coaxial mode. Give OK and give once again OK. So now the machine has been set to dispensing mode. Give home all and you are set to go for next printing. So now we can take out the print. Loosen the screw and take out the glass.